Hi everyone, this lesson will show you how to properly back out of a parking lot parking space. Now the front of my car is in, so now I need to back out of this space and then drive to the left. So the car is already on, so now I will have my right foot on the brake pedal, release the parking brake, select reverse. Then I'll check everywhere, make sure it's fine. Now, there's no car parked beside me on the left or close to me on the right. So I could just start turning all the way to the right, so the back of my car will end up there and then I drive there. But I'm gonna pretend now that there's a car right beside me on the left and one beside me on the right. So what I'll do is, the car's already in reverse, so I'll back up in a straight line until the dash, this section of the car is called the dash. The dash is at the end of the marked line, which would represent the front of the car that's backed into this parking space. So when the dash is at the end of the line, then I can start turning my wheels all the way to the right and keep checking like crazy everywhere. Once I have sufficient room to go, I stop, place the gear selector to drive, turn my wheel, and then check and get going. And that's all there is to it, to back out of a parking space safely. The main thing is you have to check. Now out here I'm going to make a left turn. We have a crosswalk, so first I stop before the crosswalk just in case someone was walking. I'm not blocking them, but there's no one to be seen, so I just keep on going. I check to the right and left. It's not safe, so I just have to wait until it's safe to the right and to the left. Now it seems safe, so I'm gonna make this left turn and end up in the first lane, which is the passing lane. And now I have a green light, so I check left, right, and go through the intersection. Now I'm gonna turn left into this parking lot, so I put my signal on, check my rear view mirror and my shoulder, then turn into the parking lot. Okay, now I'm gonna have to find a parking space in this parking lot. And by the way, if my video dies, don't hate me. Please like and subscribe to what you've seen so far, but hopefully it won't happen. Now I'm gonna turn left into this parking lot, and I end up on the right side of the parking lot, and then I look for a parking space. Now I'm gonna park, putting the front in on the left beside this black car over here on the left. So I wait until the front of my vehicle is in the middle of that same lane, then I start turning my wheel all the way to the left, and then I just watch the car go into the spot. Once it's absolutely straight, I stop, straighten the wheel, clock again. Now the wheels are straight, and then I inch up into the parking space, and that's all there is to it. Now I apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and that's it. I can go about my business. Now thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.